Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the battery grip pack. Okay, that's what's up. So as you can see guys here, this is a battery grip pack, which is something which is so great about this pack. It's actually all about how much effective or how much it's gonna help you out through your DSLR camera. Now, as you know me guys, back in the days I usually show my videos using only a smartphone. I didn't have any kind of compact camera like this one which I'm having right now, or any DSLR. I could not afford to buy that. But since then, eventually you have just to save the money and come up with something better. So this is a grip which I saw it online and thought that, okay, let us just give it a try. Let me order it and see how it works. So what it does, it tells you here, it does the effective double your shooting time. So this bad boy, it helps you when it comes to shooting time. Something else, it's a vertical fire releasing. That means you can put it in any position you want. Another kind of stuff, significantly improves stability of how you use it, and the touch feeling, it's so dope. That's what they stated here, the features. So let me just unbox it. So as you can see guys, what's happening, the paperwork is plate, I'll keep it aside. Getting this kind of stuff, whoa, this is nice. Wow, it's really looking good. As you can see guys, this is how it works. You have this button, you get the button here, you got all the functionality which you get throughout your DSLR. You get this kind of lock. So I guess it's our time now to just open it up. You get this kind of opening dock which you can toss in your batteries and stuff, which is something which is so vibrant and great. But we get another, I guess this is an extra one. Yeah, an extra one if this one messes up around, or you just want to add it up when you have 4 batteries. So we're having our camera here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this plate first thing first. So you have just to remove the battery first. Secondly is to kick out this plate. You just needed to remove it this way, so as the grip will just get inside. We're gonna just remove this bad boy here for the pin, and we're gonna toss in our grip just like that. That's how you just keep it. You see, you must make sure that the locks are all steady, because I guess this the way of the battery, how it looks like and how you gonna keep it on the battery. Do not make any mistake when you're doing it if you purchase this kind of stuff. The next thing is to lock it. Make sure that you just lock it steady, very nicely. Just do it perfectly. So after you're done, you can see how much your bad boy right now looks like. It looks, man, like a Canon 6D, or it looks like a 5D. You see how much it is. It's just robust. It's just looking so amazing. And something else is all about how much we can I guess keep the battery here. Now it's time to keep the battery, because I have only 1 battery. I don't have like 2 battery or something like that. So I have the battery here. I'm gonna keep the battery somewhere here, which is something which is so perfect. This is how you can keep it, the battery, you keep it steady. So after you're done, return everything back the way they are, then lock it. Make sure that you have locked it, and make sure that you turn it on. And after you have turned it on, like if you turn on here, that means I guess the power now flows from here. So the only thing which is ready is to turn on the camera on button. Perfect. It's actually working. As you can see guys, my battery is, though it's full, but you can see how much it works. But this grip, if I just take you can hear that shutter, right? That's how much it works. So you have this shutter and this shutter, which they're all working. So it's not like if you connect the grip, it's only one shutter working. It's both of them, they work. Both of them, they give you the same functionality. When it comes to exposure, if I click this button, it's you can see it's just doing the thing. If it's zooming in, you can see the focus, you can see everything works upon the grip, how much it's flexing. So even it comes to adjustment of this button here, which is perfect. You can see how much it works. So this bad boy, it's actually helpful if even if your camera's buttons they don't work, the grip comes in handy to sort your problems, which I find it's very useful. Not only that, when it comes to, you know, photography and you need an extra pair of battery, this grip is really worth it. So I really give it go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing unboxing of the battery grip. Let me know in the comments down below. And spoiler alert, this grip works with only 500D. No, sorry guys, for 550D, 600D, 650D and 700D, though there are different battery grip which comes with the different kind of variety of cameras out there. So yeah, that's what's up. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm a little bit today having that kind of cold off, and yeah, that's what it is. I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.